morning everybody. Today's story is Terrific Trains.
Terrific Trains by Tony Mitten and Anne Parker. There they are with their flags going towards the train. Big trains, small trains, old trains and new. Rattling and whistling, choo choo choo. Starting from the station with a whistle and a hiss, steam trains puffing and chuffing like this. Chuff chuff. Diesel trains rushing as they rattle down the line, warning us they're coming with a long, low whine. Whoosh! Metal wheels whirl as they whiz along the track. They shimmer and they swish with a slick click-clack. Carriages are coupled in a neat long chain. An engine pulls the carriages and that makes a train. If a train meets a river or a valley or a ridge, the train goes over on a big strong bridge. If a train meets a mountain, it doesn't have to stop. It travels through a tunnel and your ears go pop. When too many trains try to share the same track, the signals and the points have to hold some back. When the rail meets a road, there's a crossing with a gate. The train rushes through while the traffic has to wait. Trains travel anytime, even very late. This train's delivering a big load of freight. This train's for passengers. We'll soon be on our way. All aboard and wave goodbye. We're off on holiday. Train bits. Rails. This is an electric rail. These are metal strips that form a pathway called a track or railway line. Some trains get their power from an electric rail. Whistle. This makes a noise to warn everyone that the wagon is coming. The wagon. This is for carrying goods called freight. Signal. This tells train drivers when to stop and go. Points. These are rails that move to let the railway line divide so the train changes direction. Carriage. This is for carrying people called passengers.
Okay, bye everyone. I hope you really love that story. I like the way everything rhymes in it and I really love trains as well.